Welcome back to Marta from Sparta, and today is episode 2 of Christmas crafts. According to our spinning wheel, art wheel schedule, I'm gonna show you guys this right over here. Today the video is about fancy pups, which means we're gonna make 4 different gifts for your furry lovers. In my case, I have dogs, so it will be dogs, and I came up with 4 fun ideas what we can make for them for Christmas. And I'm sure they're not gonna be as happy as we will making those stuff, but oh well. So I am very prepared for this video. I am wearing my Yorkie caricature right on my sweatshirt. I'm wearing my, oh, I can show you like that. I'm wearing my fancy pup slippers, and my pups are with me, and let's get started. So I have 4 different fun ideas, and all these ideas you can use fabric scraps. So the whole idea is to recycle and use the stuff which we already have. And I already measure my boys neck sizes because I have 2 different Yorkies. I'm gonna show you them in a minute. They're sleeping right over here because today they have to be handy. They have to be around. They are around all the time when I'm recording, but today especially they have to be around because everything is for them. And one of the ideas will be very fancy color. We're gonna make bone-shaped stocking stuffer for them. We're gonna make bone-shaped pad for the balls, and we're gonna make something super cute for the owner, make super fun pouch for treats which looks like a dog's, because our pups has to be super fancy. So let's get started. Let's get into the cutting. I already have my patterns prepared, and these patterns, yes, will be available for free for my members. You're gonna be able to download those patterns for free if you are the member, and you join my member group, which I'm so blessed and happy that I could start this community. And we're gonna be posting extra things in the members community. So let's get started. And Leo and Teddy are kind of ready. So boys are sleeping here in studio. My dear Leonek, we just came back from walk, so they are super nice and tired. And Teddy, Dunio is learning how to walk with his brother. So Teddy is a puppy, and he weighs about 3 pounds. Leonek is 1.5 years old, and he weighs about 10-11 pounds. So we're gonna make collars for them, and on top of that we're gonna make something for their balls, because it's kind of like very lonely over there on the floor in the studio. So we're gonna make something for that as well. And yeah, let's get into cutting. Teddy, chodź. Chodź tu, Tedziunku, look. No chodź, chodź, zobacz. Zobacz. No chodź, chodź. Leonek, chodź. Chodź, Leoneczku, look. Chodź. Leonek. Boys, come on. Come on, we have to do try. Come on. Teddy, he's a good boy. Good boy, Tedunio. Good boy, Tedunio. That's a good boy, Tedunio. Chodź, Ted. Tedunio is such a good boy. Zobacz, Tedunio. Zobacz. that's a handsome boy, Teddy. That's such a good boy. That's such a good boy. Come on, Leo. Hush. Leo, look. Tedunia, no. That's mine. That's my Tedunia. That's mine. Hush, Leo. Come. Leo, hush. Hush, Leoneczku. No, hush. Let's check yours. Oh, mój Leonek. Mr. Handsome. Leonku, wait. Wait, Leoneczku, wait. We're just gonna check. That's a good Leo boy. Which one is yours? Oh, this one is yours. Look at this. Leo, sit. No, Leonku. Leoneczku, wait. Leoneczku, wait. Leoneczku, wait. I know. But we have to try on. You very good boy, Leo. That's such a good boy, Leo. Oh my god. No, Leonku, we're not moving yet. I'm not done yet. Oh, that's such a good boy, Leo. That's such a good boy, Leo. Wait, Leoneczku, wait. We have one more. Teddy, now. You got your turn. Teddy. Maybe this one. This one. Okay, we're done. All done. You can guys go play. All done. Got my measurements. Yay! Boys. Now you can play. And now continue working, guys. Okay guys, so we lost power in the studio and I can't continue the rest of the project. So my plan is to actually work on the project which is hand stitching only. Hey, hello Vivanis, it's Monday morning. We didn't get the power back Friday on Halloween, so I stopped making doggy stuff and doggy gifts. So today I am continue that, and I just want to show you very quickly how the pad came out. And pad looks amazing. I ironed it. I will explain everything in detail how to make it, and pattern will be available for my members only. So if you're not a member, click the join button in my channel and join the membership. It's gonna be a lot of fun things over there just for my members. It came out amazing. I'm sure the boys gonna love it. And in the meantime, since I was waiting for the power back, I was thinking what's the easiest way actually to do the closures. And I measured obviously boys' necks, as you saw on one of the clips, and I decided to use a Velcro. So I had this Velcro dots, and it could be also like a regular Velcro, and I just glue them using a fabric glue on the collar for the boys, and that was super fast and super easy solution, and it's gonna work. It's awesome. So they're gonna model that for you. One of them can model that right now. They're gonna model that for you a little bit later. And I am currently working on the stocking stuffer, and as you notice, the theme is blue because we have two boys. If you have girls, obviously choose whatever you want to choose. Don't be suggested by fabric. I'm doing this patterns because again, I don't want to aim for Christmas only. I want them to use those stuff all year long and enjoy them. That's why one of them matching this bow and the other matching the other bow. And I think it's a super fun kind of look, and we keep using the same fabric, and we're using fabric scraps. And once I'm gonna finish the stocking stuffer in form of the bone again, I'm gonna use the all scraps from this project to make a toys for you. So stay tuned. I'm gonna try to speed up a little bit because I am so behind the schedule. It's so many things going on, but these are so simple. You can even use like a fabric glue and you don't have to do sewing. So I'm gonna stitch this, and I will see you in a few minutes, and we're gonna talk about making toys using leftover fabric scraps from all these projects which we are doing right now. Alrighty, and I just finished doggy stocking stuffer. Let me show it to you. So that's how doggy stocking stuffer looks like. And I decided to go with red on the other side. And what I did, I also used the ribbon, which brings some fun to the front. And because it's doggy stocking stuffer, instead of doing like typical bows which people add here, or like I don't know, like Christmas decorations, I decided to grab like a random bandana. Not random, I decided to go with a red bandana, but it's like my bandana, and I just wrap it around, like, you know, just wrap around the bow. And I think it created super fun and unique look to this doggy stocking stuffer. And because it's a huge stuffer, I'm not gonna make 3 stocking stuffers because we have 3 dogs. This is huge, and all our dogs will get their gifts in a 1 stocking stuffer. I also wanted to show you, I decided to make like this kind of charms. I keep seeing that on Instagram. It was fairly easy, so I just cut it out. I'm gonna show you on the video how to make it. So I did Teddy and Leo, and I just grabbed like a regular gold string and tied it and just went through this just like that. And I can do 2 at the time, I can do 1 at the time, I can just, you know, add all separately, and I can either attach it same way on the side of doggy stuffer, or I can attach it over here. So I also think it's a super fun, kind of like when the bag charms are popular right now, these are like stocking stuffer charms, right? So yeah, I made those, and I have to make 1 more for our girl because we also have a girl, but boys are like very new to the family, so our older dogs are already covered for Christmas. But because this is first Christmas for Teddy and second Christmas for Leo, last year we didn't take care of the Leo at all, so the boys getting stocking stuffer, but they're gonna share it with Vika. So that's done, and now I'm gonna collect all this leftover fabrics I have, and we're gonna do, of course, bone, because it's our team for the video, a toy, so they can play this toy, and we're gonna use it only and only scraps from this 3 project we already did. Stuffing the toy, and the boys are being very impatient. You want your new toy, but it's not ready yet. It's not ready yet, Teddy. You have to wait till Christmas. So I squeaked the toy accidentally when I was stuffing it before I'm gonna close it. And the boy is now fighting over it. So obviously it's not the color of the toy which makes this interest. It's just the squeaky mechanism inside that they wanted. But Teddy's all over it. He's afraid that his older brother will get it. No, Teddy, no. You have to talk to the doggy Santa. You boys have to wait. That's your Christmas gift.